Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best buy portable washing machines in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine. The Giantex brand is changing how the general portable washing machine market is being viewed by continuously manufacturing some of the most affordable portable washing machines. This is a perfect mini clothes washer for those looking for the best portable washer and dryer for an RV. Some experts claim that the washer was designed with RV living in mind, and it's hard not to share that sentiment with them because this is just the washer an RVer needs in their RV. With how people are raving about the washer on the internet and in store, it's straightforward to tell that this is a fantastic choice for every RV. It's only a matter of time before the Giantex brand takes center stage in the portable washing machine industry. You can tell how great this washer is by only looking at its twin tub design. The machine has a filter net on the side of the washing barrel to help filter when it's washing. Number 2. Our second best pick is Costway Mini Washing Machine with Spin Dryer. People shy away from purchasing portable washing machines because they believe these washers can't get the job done compared to their high-end counterparts. If you're buying a washing machine for your RV, you don't need a $2,000 rated washer machine because you don't need it, unless you're prepared to lose a lot of money, as these high-end machines are always bulky, and you may not have a place for it in your RV. If you're spending some time in your RV, you won't always have the luxury of everything like water. Washers like this Costway Mini Washer are designed to help you save enough water by including short timers so you can do your laundry as quickly as possible. Number 3. Our third best pick is Giantex Full Automatic Portable Washing Machine. Saving the best for last? That might just be the case here. It'll take a lot of convincing to know this is not a regular top-load washer and that it costs less than $300 for all the perks that come with it. We mentioned earlier that it's only a matter of time before the Giantex brand becomes a famous washing machine globally because it knows how to create what people want and can easily afford. Using the washer in your RV will be a great decision because the washer has adjustable feet at the bottom. Your rig will most likely be slightly slanted in a different direction whenever you move or wherever there's more weight. As a result, you need a washer that is firm on the floor, and that's what this Giantex washer provides. Adjustable feet. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Comfy Top Load Portable Washing Machine. As good as this Comfy washer is, it is on the heavier side when talking about the best portable washing machines for RVs at a whopping 70.5 pounds. If you're opting for this washer, you need to be prepared to deal with the weight because it's not the most compact of washers. However, the washer makes up for its lack of lightweight with its space-saving design, multiple washing programs, and robust motor. With these wash programs, you can get your laundry done quickly, which is perfect if you're investing in a washer for your RV. Many people love this Comfy washer because although it is a compact washer, it still manages to have some of the things mostly seen on high-end washing machines. Investing in this washing machine will give you access to 6 wash cycles, including normal, spin-only, quick, delicate, bulky, and heavy. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Lavario Portable Clothes Washer. This is a non-electric washer, but if you're going to be using it in your RV, it is a perfect choice to consider. We know you need a constant power supply in your RV, but this won't always be the case, and you may even want to cut down the cost sometimes, so this non-electric washer comes in handy a lot. If you're familiar with a top-loading machine, you'll not find it hard to operate this machine. It has a top-loading design, only that you'll have to handle it manually because it is a non-electric washer. Although if you're opting for this option, you have to be prepared to use about 10 gallons of water per cycle. That's a lot of water. Manual operations. The idea behind creating this manual top-load washer is to put an end to taking frequent trips to the laundromat. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.